So I just came up here to find a geocache, but wow, what a view. That's Tekapo down there, or the lake, and that's the top there. So that's the Godley Valley, I believe, that we can see there, the Godley River, and the Macaulay where I went up that side. But oh, just fantastic. And the Lake Tekapo township is just off the other end of the lake down there, so I'm going to wander down there and figure out where to next. Alright, so this is the Church of the Good Shepherd here in Tekapo. I believe it's closed at the moment, and as always it's swarming with people, but I'll give you a quick look around anyway. That's an incredible building. And I should be using my gimbal here, but I'm not. I'm here at Lake Pukaki. The colours are just amazing. It's just like Tekapo. It's sort of this amazing turquoise. It hardly looks real half the time, I reckon. So I'm here at the Danseys Pass Holiday Park, which might give you some idea of what I've got planned for tomorrow. I've paid for a cabin for tonight because the weather's a little bit it was raining before, and why not? But it's a pretty cool little campsite. Lots of families here having a bonfire, toilet blocking that over there, but there's something really cool that I want to show you. The river. Well, gorge, river gorge. This is pretty cool. Right at the campsite. Down this precarious little staircase. What a place. Now that's a bit more like it. I can see some blue sky. Still a bit of grey cloud over there, but it looks like it's drying out. It's shaping up to be another warm one, so that's excellent. I'm just about ready to leave and head up over the pass and see what there is to see. Just winding my way up Danseys Pass. It's a good gravel road. It's narrow in places and a bit steep, but just stunning. And how's that for a backdrop? Look at the mountains. I don't think I'd ever get tired of this sort of a view. Alright, so this is the top of Danseys Pass. It's nothing too challenging. It would be potentially in winter if there was snow, in which case I think the road's closed anyway. But wow, what a view. Just the hills and the mountains. Hills and mountains. It's just an amazing landscape. This is, I think, the high point on the road of Danseys Pass. Obviously you can get up there further, but I think that'll be the station or private land or something. But what a spot. The wind's a bit chilly. Look at the rock formations. I believe this is all schist, but that's looks like the remains of an old bridge or something there. Interesting. So just beside the road here, well, is another geocache, but also the access to the Otago, I'm probably saying it wrong again, conservation park, and I can see the track going there, but it looks relatively rugged. But there's another little sign down there in the valley, and I just want to go and see what that says. So let's drive on down there and have a look. Well, that's interesting. You can get up Mount Kyburn or to Buster Diggings through here apparently, by permit, which I don't have. So I also didn't realise you could get in from here, and haven't done any research on this part. So I might leave this for a future trip, but very interesting. This little track here, getting in and out, was a bit of fun too. I'll put the camera out for going up there because that was fun. Oh, that was a bit of fun. Yeah, I think I will come back and explore that one a little bit later. Just here's the historic Danseys Pass Hotel, and that is the original road that runs right out in front. It still is the road, but there is a bypass that's been built down there. Cool old ruins of what once was a building. And this is part of the Otago goldfields. That side looks slightly newer than the original. Huh. The old wheel. Sharpening stone. Huh. Oh, it still moves. Huh. Amazing. What a cool place. Well guys, that's it for today. In the next video, it's back into the hard stuff and some pretty epic country, I reckon. So, thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.